Good morning, Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my lot in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. I want to share with you what we got going on today. Ford Cmax came here. It's a local Tennessee car, and it's here for a transmission replacement. So let me show you what it sounds like. And again, we do tons of these HF35 transmission replacements on these Cmax hybrids, Ford Fusion hybrids, and Lincoln MKZ hybrids. So if you need transmission work, you need to come see me, especially if your car is making this noise. So stand by. Okay, so we got the car in the shop now. We're inside. This car's got 125,000 miles on it. As you can see, the car's on, it's in ready. And then when I start the engine, you get that buzz saw. And it'll come on and off only when the gas engine's running. And then it will get higher if you push. And that is the transmission stator bearing going bad. So that's what we're here to fix. Okay, back at it. Transmission is out of the white Cmax. Got the transmission here on the floor, so let's look at it real quick. Some things to note. Definitely got seal failure here, so you can see all the oil was slinging everywhere. This one had, as you heard, stator bearing failure, which is the bearing right here. And know we have the differential bearings also failed. Looking around the rest of it, not too bad. Had a little bit of leak coming out of that seal there. Did not eat through the case. If you watched some of my other videos, you've seen some of these will eat through the case here. So everything looks pretty tidy for the rest of the transmission. Let's go look at the new one. Well, here are the new ones. We got a pair of these going in this week, but we'll eeny, meeny, miny, mo which one goes into this car. But these are how they come to us, fully remanufactured by Ford. Again, we do so many of these. We got it worked out with Ford where they rebuild them and we buy them in bulk. And again, these are just this week's delivery, and this transmission will go back in here for the core to be remanufactured once again. So here's the car on the lift. We'll follow up tomorrow after we get this installed so you can hear a new look at new sound. All right, well, got the white Cmax all done, new transmissions in it, fully assembled. I got it turned on right now, so let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear what the new transmission sounds like. You can't even hear it. Remember how bad that was? Now, sometimes these are noisier than other ones, but sounds great right now. So that's a fix. 125,000 miles, no lights on. We got some recommendations for them, some stuff we found underneath, but that is a done job. So if you need your transmission replaced on your Cmax because you got the crazy stator bearing noise, or you have the differential seal leaking, or you have the grinding noise when coming to a stop, I can help you. We can get you fixed for a fraction of the cost of the dealership. So reach out to me here at Hybrid and Electric Car Sales, 615-802-5550. Check me out online at hybridandelectriccarsales.com or see us in person at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. Hope to talk to you soon, and you all have a great day.